In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace on ClickUp. It's a process that, while straightforward, requires attention to detail to ensure you do it right the first time. Let's dive right in to make sure you are comfortable with each step before you proceed with the deletion. To start, you'll first need to log in to your ClickUp account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the ClickUp website and enter your login credentials. It's crucial that you have the necessary permissions to delete a workspace. Usually only workspace owners or admins can perform this action. If everything checks out, navigate to the specific workspace you wish to delete. In the ClickUp dashboard, you'll see a list of your workspaces. Click on the one you intend to remove. Now pay attention to the top left corner of your screen. You should see the workspace avatar there. Click on it. This action will bring up a menu where you'll find various options related to your workspace. From these options, look for and select the settings option. This area contains all the controls you'll need to manage your workspace settings, including the option to delete your workspace. Within the settings menu, you need to locate the delete workspace option. Click on it once you find it and a prompt will appear. This is an essential step as the prompt will request you to type the exact name of the workspace you intend to delete. This step is vital for verifying your intention as it ensures you don't accidentally delete the wrong workspace. So make sure you type the workspace name accurately. After confirming the workspace name, you are almost at the finish line. The platform will ask you to click delete to finalize the action. This is the last step whereby you verify that you really wish to remove the workspace permanently. By clicking this, the workspace along with all its content will be deleted from ClickUp. Remember that this action is irreversible, so double check all information before you conclude. And that's it. Your workspace has now been deleted from ClickUp. Always remember to double check that you're deleting the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. And of course, it's good practice to ensure that all necessary data is backed up or exported before you go ahead and delete the workspace. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions or check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using ClickUp effectively.